Hi John, hi Mike, it's Aidan here, Southwest Systems. So on the cloud, you just going to show you the stock control for Touch Office. So you press stock control. The first thing that you get here is list, and list lists every item on here that has stock linked to it, and if there's stock, it will be positive, okay? So when you start doing the stock, all the items will be positive. So if I search in here, we've done one item. If I put in Thatchers, I'm trying to hold my phone while doing this so I can zoom in for you. But Thatcher's Gold, it's got 219 pints in stock. So if you sell half a pint, it take half off a pint. We can do it the same for spirits, so 25ml, 50ml double, so twice as much. And that's all handled in these case sizes here, and that's what's called the unit conversions, case sizes. So 11 gallon is 88 pints. You've got 22 gallon, it's 176 pints. And then you can put in here the various options. So 24 pack, 12 pack obviously is what it is, and that's where you add the case sizes. So when you first create the product, so Thatcher's Gold, you would enable the stock tab here. You would link it to a supplier, so I've linked it to Booker's, but you can have up to 4 suppliers per product. And then we've got the unit costs here, which works out when you do ordering. You can set minimum and maximum stock levels, days to order. This is the case size, so I'm ordering in 22 gallon kegs of Thatcher's Gold or Carling or Madry, whatever it is. And you can do other things as well, like link sub PLUs to the master PLU or create separate PLUs for it. But then once you've done that, you then will do what's called a purchase order. So you do a purchase order with suppliers. So I'm going to order. So if I go into stock orders, and then this is all the orders that are archived on the system. So I go new order, choose the supplier, it's Booker's. New order, you've got various forms of ordering here, like up to restock to maximum, only show when it's minimum stock. There's various things you can do, but I'm just going to do a blank order. So I'm going to order the Thatcher's Gold. Okay, so I'm going to order just one 22 gallon keg. The keg cost me, that's what I ordered last time, 264, but if the cost price change, you can increase it. It will then work out, obviously, it's a 22 gallon keg. It says the current stock is 219, so I'm going to order one. Okay, so once you've ordered one, it will then say here's 176, which is correct. 88 pints is 11 gallon, times it by 2 is 176. You place the order, and this is archived in here. At this point you can print the order or export it to CSV. So I can print it or export to CSV or view as a PDF and send that to the brewery or to the supplier, and that's all in there. This will be all your details here, your business name all here, and that can be emailed. And then once you've done that, when the goods come in, you post delivery, and as soon as the delivery note comes in, you've ticked it all off and checked it, that will go into stock. So my Thatcher's Gold, which was 242, has now increased to 395, and that's how you do an order. So you just repeat that for each supplier when you do it. So it's fairly straightforward, but the manager, the supervisor, just has to keep on top of it. And then wastages, you can do a new wastage in here. So I'll say I want to waste a new wastage. It will be, let's say, Thatcher's. I can waste it in here. I can actually say what it was. I can say it's an item quantity or whatever. Then you can post the wastage in here, or you can even say it's half a pint as well. So if it's half, if it's a full item, the average cost amount is moved to this 154. You can post the wastage, and then that goes in, and they can run a wastage report, and you can view that wastage. Supplier entry is here, so you can put names, phone numbers, etc. This also goes on when you email the PDF for the order. Case sizes we discussed. The stock recipes is like if you're doing cocktails, but we can do that. And then the stock take is where you start a stock take, you compare your previous stock to your current stock, and then it looks for stock variance. So then you can run the report to see what if there is any variance on there. And in terms of the reports, there's loads of stock reports. There's loads of reports anyway, but these are all the reports. There's tons. But the stock reports are near the end here. But you've got like PLU by supplier, PLU stock valuation, stock movement, stock on order, stock take list by department, stock take list by group, stock yield, supplier spend, supplier list. It's very detailed, really good system for this. And yeah, all right, I hope that helps. Many thanks.